Hi, I'm attorney Bettina Yanez. Today's topic concerns domestic violence and restraining orders. As an Orange County domestic violence family law firm, our firm will consult with you and go over the acts of domestic violence. If the acts are significant and actual physical violence, actual harassment, stalking, or disturbing the peace has occurred, and the abuse suffers from emotional, mental, or physical harm and is in fear of the abuser, you may seek a temporary restraining order from the family law court in your area. On the other hand, if you have been falsely accused of domestic violence, you must take the proper steps to defend yourself. If you are given ex parte notice, you may be able to prevent a temporary order from being issued in the first place. So don't delay. Contact an experienced domestic violence attorney right away. If you have been served with a temporary restraining order that has already been issued, that means you have a hearing coming up. At that hearing, each side will testify, present evidence, in order for the court to determine whether to issue a permanent restraining order for a maximum period of 5 years. Domestic violence charges can also be criminal. You can have one incident that leads to civil, a restraining order in family law, and a criminal conviction in criminal law. Family law attorneys usually will not proceed with a domestic violence matter in family law until the criminal court makes a determination as to the criminal case. The attorneys do not want anything coming out of the family court being used against you in criminal court. At the Orange County Family Law Offices of Yanez and Associates, we have a staff of attorneys that are well informed, experienced, concerned, and ready to champion for your legal rights. Therefore, if you are a victim of domestic violence or you have been wrongfully accused of domestic violence, rest assured we are ready to assist you and your family and take the necessary legal steps to assist you. Domestic violence laws say abuse is threats of abuse when you are in an intimate relationship, married, in a domestic partnership, dating, used to date, live or lived together, or have a child together. If you or someone that you are married or related by blood commits domestic violence, you could file in family court. Domestic violence is not just physically hurting someone. It can also be sexual assault. It can be someone making someone afraid, threatening, behavior like stalking, harassing, threatening, hitting, disturbing someone's peace, or even destroying someone's personal property. Physical abuse is not just hitting. It can be shoving, kicking, pushing, pulling the hair, throwing things, scaring or following someone, preventing them from coming and going freely. Domestic violence can also be abusing pets. If you find yourself in need of a restraining order or accused of committing domestic violence, call the family law offices of Yanez and Associates today. Our staff is ready to assist you. Thank you.